Assalamualaikum guys, today we're going to the Chirpy Bird Park and we're going to have so much fun there. So come on, let's go. I'm going to pick my friends up because they'll be joining me. It was a long route and I was very tired. The queue to enter Bahria Town was way too long. Finally, we're in Bahria Town and you are seeing masjid areas. It is very long and very beautiful. We are so close to Chirpy Park and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the birds. And here is our destination. Oh, finally. I was very fascinated with the pictures on the wall, so I wanted to take pictures with them. I was trying to pose like if I'm feeding this eagle. Oh, we're at the entrance now. Can you see the big parts at the entrance? We're inside now. I can't believe how beautiful it is. I was trying to carry my backpack properly. One thing I did not like is the music playing in the background. I wanted to hear the birds chirp, not that silly music. It was like a small jungle except the wild animals in it. It was a souvenir shop there and you can buy gifts and presents from your friends there. They also had a cafe inside so you can have some refreshments. I was mysterious. What's in that little pool there? Do the birds have a bath there or are there fishes in there? I was mesmerized to see all those exotic birds. Look how colorful and beautiful they are, flying here to there. Such a beauty. I really wanted to see the birds up closely because I wanted to hold them, but no one ever wanted to come down to my hand. Can you differentiate between the fake birds and the real birds there? It's the feeding time, guys! Look at the birds feeding the parakeet. My friend's mommy was feeding that red glory. Rolly started to dance with my friends or jumping up and down. Look at those birds hanging upside down. Are they thinking they're bats? They're having a competition who can stay upside down the longest. Look at those birds peeking outside. Oh look, one came out. blue and yellow macaws were very beautiful and very big. By the way, they were also very aggressive. Look, that one also started dancing up like a head did. I wanted to take a picture with him, but he actually scared me. Meet my friend, the African bear parrot. He was telling me stories about himself, like he wanted to fly up in the high, not stay in that boring cage. And I felt sorry as I could not help him. That grey parrot wanted me to stay longer because he wanted to talk more, but I told him that I have to go but I'll come back again. Such beautiful cockatoo, I don't know why he was caged. It was time to clean up the cages. Clean. Those were the Indian parrots. They were green in color. Me and my friend were trying to spot that pheasant. I think he was scared of people because he was hiding again and again. Look, that colorful golden pheasant came out. I was hiding to make his video. Look, his friends are joining him. Chirpy Bird Park has lots of species of birds. It's fun to see them. I would say you must visit if you haven't yet. It was a fun day. I really enjoyed myself there. Be sure to visit. And guys, you don't need to visit Paris to see the Eiffel Tower because we have one right over here. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm signing off. Bye bye. See you in my next video.